How to turn off bringing devices together on iPhone. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. First of all, bringing devices together allows you to easily share content and start SharePlay sessions by holding your iPhone near another iPhone. But if you want to turn that off, then simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, once you open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Inside General, simply tap on the Eardrop option available there. Inside Eardrop, you will get to see bringing devices together. If it is toggled on, then simply toggle that feature off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.